Hi everyone, I'm back with another Blender video, and in the last video we made this, we went to weight paint mode and we did this. So let's carrying on that video. This video is carrying on that video because I don't want to make these videos too long. So if we go to object mode, if we bring back all of our sprinkles. Nothing will have changed. Like, nothing will have changed. Nothing will have changed. Actually, nothing will have changed. If we select, selecting our icing, go to this, go to the particle settings, and if we go down, and if we go to, where is that, vortex groups, and you want to make the density group, so group, yeah, it should do that thing, see? All of the things are staying there and some are staying here. See, little are staying here. So that should look good. I mean, we can make them a bit smaller. So if we select all of these and we just scale them a bit in. And if we shift D, just shift D, and then just do that. We just made more sprinkles. Now if we just, now move them a bit around. Control Z, just select this one and Z. This is a lot of work. Let me just make everything don't mind the noise. Now if we go here, GZ. Now let's go to wait, no. Turn on camera and light. Select the net, press new. Actually, shift, wait. Oh, okay. Select the first sphere and then go down to the last sphere. And no. And then no. And make these. Make the base color of them. Maybe like a pastel color. Make this guy's okay, go from the start and select all of the select the start and then go down and press shift and press the last one and new and then each base color. Let's make them. This one's gonna be cyan. Wait, I need red. I forgot about red. Just make it different colors. I'm gonna make this one. Make this new. Make this green. And make this cyan. Make this make this. Some of them has to be like a bit low. Yeah. You want to make the roughness a bit lower so it doesn't look too shadowish. And if we go down here, we press shift like this. And then scale. Now, select all of these and press M, new collection, and press yeah, okay, I'm just gonna go for that.
Do you remember the video? Do you want me to show you the video again?
Yeah. Okay. Now, if we bring back everything, it should look like this. And let's make the wall. So if we go to here, you can see this. And the background should be here and here. So if we go out, we need to make a background here. So if we press this, if we, wait, no. I'm going to another video. What am I doing? One last thing you should do, uncheck this box. I've just been noticing that. Uncheck this box and uncheck that box. And if we go to here, selecting a camera, selecting a camera, and if we go here, it shows these.
Red is okay. Red is okay.
It should show this. Let me just see. Wait. If we now go to shading, yes, shading. What am I doing? It should be this. It should look like this. Here, these are flying. Okay. If we select, oh my god, this is so messy. Let me just make this. Okay. If we select this, yeah. The donut. It should look like this. And if we're in the next video, we're gonna talk about the shading. We're gonna do some nodes. Yeah. And if you're wondering how do you save your file, you go to File, Save As, or you can do Shift S, I think. No, not Shift S. Nah, that's complicated. Just use this way. File. Yeah. So I think that's about it. Subscribe. Yes, I think you should subscribe. If you don't, well, that's sad. So, subscribe. Subscribe. And like this video. And hit that notification button. And if you're wondering how I'm going to get rid of this, I'll just press Ctrl Z. Yes, sir. See you next time, guys. Boy. And the video's going to stop.